Let me at outset thank the organizers for giving me an opportunity to be here. I'm attending this workshop for the first time. Some of you might have been visiting it earlier. Entrepreneurship or enterprise itself is a social activity, because if educated one become job seeker, no government can ever provide them job. So if job seeker become job provider, nobody else can be a better social enterprise creation. In the morning session, I got an impression that there appears to be a little less exposure of the government scheme for startups. So I thought I will spend a couple of minutes on that. If you wish to listen, otherwise we can join with the panels. For a startup, there are a lot of schemes at the ministry level as well as different state governments. Now we have 29 states and many union territories. At Government of India level itself, there are 3 schemes which are there for all startups. In addition to the mega one which has been announced in the new budget, where 10,000 crores a startup venture capital fund is going to be instituted. Legal framework and other things are being worked out. But 3 more schemes are there which I think there is less knowledge and less understanding about that. One of them was mentioned in the earlier session, what we call credit guarantee. Any loan up to 1 crore can be guaranteed by SIDBI, where Government of India has put in about 4,000 crore of rupees. And that fund has guaranteed loan up to 70,000 crores for MSME sector alone. That means where plant and machinery investment is less than 10 crores. So this fund is there. Kindly take advantage of it, because no collateral and 85% repayment is guaranteed to the bank. If you wish to know anything more, a lot of details are available at msme.gov.in, and many more. All banks know it. Startups can also take advantage of it. In addition to one scheme of RBI, who said that loans up to 10 lakhs do not require any collateral, any guarantee for that purpose. We have also come up with one scheme, what we call it Project Performance and Credit Rating. A startup with 2 or 3 years data can get his or her performance rated as well as credit rating worthiness, and then banks are willing to take up that venture for financing. So far we have provided assistance to about 80,000 units who have been rated, and with only from Government of India side investment of 270 crores, and we have generated loan business of more than 20,000 crores for these units. Those who wish to take advantage, they can take advantage of this thing. Even a startup and with a little bit of 1 or 2 year operation can take advantage of this. So credit rating, credit guarantee, and those units who want to upgrade their technologies in certain specified sectors, we have a CLCSS scheme where 75% or 25% subsidy is available for any unit enterprise who are willing to work on these lines. We are coming up with startup fund, as I discussed to you earlier. But much more is required for running a good business, and to say that government can give advice on running a business is to expect a moon to become hot. And I also believe that those who run business, when they come to the bank, their feeling is that as long as you have a good idea, they appreciate. The moment to go for fund, they remind you all one Basir Bad's poetic, I think with your permission I would like to say, ये लोग जो मेरी कब्र पर रो रहे हैं, ये जो लोग मेरी कब्र पर रो रहे हैं, उठ जाऊं तो जीने न दें. All those who are talking of promoting startups and good business, once you go to the venture capitalist and all those things, they put so many questions as if you are thief number 1 and going to run away with their hard-earned money. But fact remains that entrepreneurs have to be prepared to meet such eventuality. All those who have become successful have undergone those pains. Some have absorbed it, some have not been able to absorb it. And those who have failed, we have long list. But those who have succeeded, we are honoring them here and listening from them. There is no easy way out. When you want only, I was telling in a lighter vein, that only dowry which is banned comes without utilization certificate. Rest all money has to be accounted for. And a good businessman is one who accounts for his experience also, his or her experience also. Running social entrepreneurship, running social enterprise, having impact on society, from becoming from job seeker to job provider is the biggest asset that a country can have. And the present government, the new government, is giving a lot of emphasis on not only skilling India, but also putting brand India first. This is a huge opportunity for youth and unemployed and techno graduates. A lot of schemes are there in the offing, many more things we are trying to do at our level. Ease of doing business, easing out labor laws, and so many other compliances so that your regulatory burdens can be reduced, including e-governance, so that your handshake with the government is not that painful the way it is, and it should become a, what we call it, happy to help attitude, who are also our sponsors here, the Vodafone Timelines.